I'll pick one that's come through actually. Do you think that the morals of the leadership of an investee company are relevant to the investment decision? And they're citing this client of ours is citing the recent Barclays, without going into specific names, just the morals around leadership and how that plays towards your investment decisions.
Yeah, I mean, the short answer is yes, I think so. You asked me about my upbringing and how it sort of led to what I do and how I do it. I didn't touch upon this because don't want to spend all day to it. One of the things I was going to say, I had noted down here as I was speaking to you to touch upon, is honesty. The way I would put it is this: I never stole money from people when I didn't have any. So I'm not sure why I would begin. Now I'm quite wealthy. Yet I'm surprised by the number of people I meet who somehow can't keep to that axiom. I mean, I'm not condoning theft by anybody or anything like that. But there are some people in circumstances in the world where I guess we should be sympathetic and understandable. That they're in, such a bad, unless you've been in their shoes, stood in their position, somebody who goes and shoplifts in those circumstances, maybe, we should have in our heart some desire to see what their problem is. But when people are chief executives of companies or running funds or something like that, and they behave in ways which are dishonest in terms of not giving true stewardship for people, not looking after their money as they would their own and so on, then I simply can't fathom it, and I've got no time for it.
Yeah. Or just simply being too greedy. I hear you.
Yeah.